Hello everyone, this is a final project of local area networking of a group members who are Muhammad Harith Hakim and one Muhammad Amin and Sitiswar Ki Lingam and the fourth one Karam Saleh Abdullah Al Ashwal. This project is going to be showing about LAN and it contains some instructions such as introduction, network design, and the benefits, all of them for different floors. We can just start with the introduction. For the network design, consists of three stories, CP as you see, third building, and 5 departments. And we can notice that it's written about 56 employees, and of course no LANs network. Let's see the network design about this LAN. So this first floor we just design about 3 computers and the switches, and we configured the IP address and all of this. As you can see, it's already configured with this IP address 192.168.10.10, and well done. VLAN 10 tires, but all these parts you can just notice. Network design: have one server, 4 switches for each floors. Of course it has a different switch, and 1 router, 3 VLAN with the tire part, seats part, electric panels, IP4 classes. Of course for this we choose for the IPv4 class C address. Network design floor 1, it's 3 computers and the floor switch 1. They were configured and successfully, so with different IP addresses: employers, employees 2 and employer 1. Let's go to the network design floor 2. It's the same about topology for the floor 2, employer 4 and employees you can see 5. Technical supports for the 25, that's one, with this IP address. Network design floor 3, you can see, I guess it's the same design, just we can notice that for 3 switches about this, it is about personal and technical individual top management, as was divided before and mentioned. So we can see the network design main. With this picture or with this design, the VLAN, you can just pay attention for this, for the router and the main switch. They were configured for this LAN and network, so we can just see and manage all the most of the LAN from here, and we can just see the main information for the VLAN and the seats, electric panel, tire part, seats part 20, the tire part was 10, electric panel was 30. After all this design for this company or for tires, all the most information were mentioned before, we can get some benefits of this network design, or just benefits. The benefit that use of switches help reduce the number of networks and routers and cables in the building. Of course, some usage of VLAN helps the network efficiency, efficiency by reducing extraneous traffic and also enhance security by creating a virtual boundary, which is we can see there can help the networks. I guess it's easy in this way, and of course by limiting node to node and the product and the broadcast traffic and safe workplace disruption. By all this, the VLAN also can be improved for the bandwidth performance. All this can be improved one by one. Uh, it's gonna be alright with the company or the area that they are in. Some benefits we just mentioned, and it can be discovered more. So I guess this was the final project for our project, and I hope that you got some information. And thank you so much for listening and pay attention for our project. Just we can go back for the team members: Muhammad, while Muhammad Amin bin Amin Muhammad, we can just call him Siswar, Keeling Gam, and Karam Saleh Abdullah. Thank you so much.